Okay, this is the reading book review. This is from test 4 and this is again academic reading passage 3. 20 minutes and questions from 27 to 40, and this is the title of the passage, book review. Though it looks very easy, but I think it has toughest question of MCQs. Let's do it. Okay, this paragraph, the passage is like this, divided into paragraphs. Okay, first type of question we have here is MCQs. Correct letter A, B, C or D. Write the correct letter in boxes on your answer sheet. Okay, we have to write these alphabets in the answer sheet, not the full sentence. Okay, we have three types of question as I told you. First is MCQs and the second is yes, no, not given. Third type of question, and second type of question is complete the summary using the list of words. Here it is given the help box for completing these blanks only. Let's begin it. Okay, here it is given. First question, what is the reviewer's attitude to advocates of positive psychology? Okay, from this keyword we will be getting the location of the question in the passage. After that we will be looking for this also. Of course, we will be looking for reviewers' attitude to advocates of positive psychology. And let's read the options first. They are wrong to reject the ideas of Bentham. They are over-influenced by their study of Bentham's theory. They have a fresh new approach to ideas on human happiness. They are ignorant. Okay, they are wrong to reject, over-influenced, or fresh new approach, and ignorant. First, we will be looking for these four words also. Let's find the location. Positive psychology. Okay, yes, positive psychology. Yes, in the first paragraph. Advocate also I got. Let's look at the word reviewers. Of course, I am not getting the word reviewers as same it is in the passage. Of course, we will be looking for reviewers. There may be words like critics, analyst, and or maybe thinkers. There are so many words they can use for word reviewers. Okay, here it is given an economist, but we are looking for reviewers. Okay, attitude to. Okay, let's look at the word for and others. It is obvious that the purpose of. Okay, doesn't not this pronouncement by Richard Laird, an economist and advocate of positive psychology, summarizes the belief of many people today. Okay, it is obvious that the purpose of government to. Okay, the only question here. Okay, positive psychology again it has used. The only question is how to achieve it, and here positive psychology. Suppose science and not only identifies which makes people happy but also allows their happiness to be measured and can show the way science, the government, happiness in society. Okay, let's read the question again because I am totally lost, not able to find the exact location because these words I have got here. Reviewer's attitude. Okay, but here it is given Bentham word is there. Let's look at the Bentham word here. No Bentham word. Yes, Bentham I have found here. Yes, it is given here. Let's look. Okay, let's read. It was a philosopher, Jeremy Bentham, who was more than anyone else responsible for the development of way of thinking. For Bentham, it was obvious that the human good consists of pleasure and absence of pain. Next writer has come here. It means we have to read it. Till here we have already gone through. Let's read it from here. It is an astonishingly crude and simple-minded way of thinking. Okay, for that very reason, increasingly popular. Those who think in the way are oblivious to the vast philosophical literature in which meaning and value of happiness have been explored and questioned. Right is as if nothing of any importance had been thought on the subject until it came to their attention. Right as if nothing of any importance had been thought on the subject until it came to their attention. Okay, from here we have already read out. It was the philosopher Jeremy who was more than anyone else responsible for the development of thinking. Let's look at the options. Okay, they are wrong to reject the ideas of Bentham. No, nothing was given about that thing. Over influenced by their study? No. No, there was no description about it. Have a fresh new approach? No. It means that must be an idea. They are ignorant about the ideas they should be considering. They should be considering. Yes, I think this is matching the idea. Those who think means reviewer. In this, reviewers in this way are oblivious. Oblivious here means, if you don't know the meaning of this, then it's okay. Then let's read it from further. To the vast philosophical literature in which the meaning and value of happiness has been explored and questioned, and write as if nothing of any importance had been taught on the subject until it came to their attention. Yes, according to me, they are ignorant. Ignorant here means that given is vious. Oblivious. They are ignorant about the ideas, but they should be considering. Here it is given, they should be considering. Here it is given very clearly, until it came to their attention. Until it came to their attention, as if nothing of any importance had been thought on the subject until it came to their attention. Actually, this is, I think, this difficult MCQ questions. Okay, in this way we have found this only. The reviewers refers to the Greek philosopher Aristotle in order to suggest that happiness. The reviewers refers to the Greek philosopher. Okay, yes, I have found this writer also. Let's read. May not be just pleasure and the absence of pain. Yes, while reading the first option, I found this word. Should not be the main goal of humans. It is not something that should be fought for. It is not just an abstract concept. Let's look at the word here. Yes, here I got the word the Greek philosopher Aristotle, but the option here I got, for Bentham it was obvious that the human good consists of pleasure and the absence of pain. Pleasure and absence of pain. Bentham is saying human good consists of pleasure and absence of pain, but Greek philosopher Aristotle may have identified the happiness with self-realization. It means this person is denying this person's views. Self-realization. In the 4th century, BC, and thinkers thought that the ages may have struggled to reconcile the pursuit of happiness with other human values. But for the Bentham, all these were metaphysics or fictions. Okay, let's look at the option. Yes, I think this is the may not be just pleasure and absence, because he had denied the Bentham's view. May not be just. This is the option. Let's look at the other options also. Should not be the main goal. No. It is not something that should be fought for. No. Nothing is given about this. And main goal is not just an abstract concept. No. It means this is wrong. Okay. Let's do 29th. According to Davis, Bentham's suggestion for linking the price of goods to happiness was significant. According to him, Bentham's suggestion for linking the price of goods and to happiness was significant because first successful way of assessing happiness is to establish a connection between work. Okay. A connection between work and psychology. It was the first successful example of psychological research involved consideration of the rights of consumers. Okay, let's look at Davis is here. Okay, we have to look around the Bentham also because he has explained. Yes, David writes, yes, Bentham's activities were those which we might associate with public sector management consultant. In 1790s, he wrote to the Home Office. Okay, printing device is there. Okay, here also it is given, but here nothing is given about it. Davis does not discuss the fact that Bentham meant his. Okay, now they are talking about prison. Okay, I think we have lost our question. Again, let's read it. Davis Bentham suggestion for linking the price of goods. Okay, let's look at the word price of goods. Let's find it very fast. Money. Yes, price. Yes. Okay, let's, goods is also here. Let's read it from here. Alternatively, money could be used as the standard for quantification. If two goods have the same price, it can be claimed that they produce the same quantity of pleasure in the consumer. Bentham was more attracted by the later measure by associating money so closely to inner experience. Okay, David writes, okay, yes, our main question is this, I think. David writes, Bentham set the stage for entangling the psychological research and capitalism that would shape the business practices of the, yes, they have clearly written capitalism is money here, and it is, and here also they given same quantity of, here Bentham was more attracted by the later measure by associating money is the price of goods so closely to inner experience. Inner experience is psychology. Yes, I have got these words. Yes, this is the option. It was the first successful, nothing is given about it. About this also no example, and consideration of right of consumers, nothing is given about this. Okay, let's move on to the next type of question. Okay, here now question 30 to 34. Complete the summary below using the list of words A to G. Okay, we have to write answers. We have to fill these blanks with these alphabets. This is the help box we have given for these blanks. Let's read it fast. Jeremy Bentham was active in other areas besides philosophy. In 1790, yes, with the help of this figure we can find the location. Suggested a type of technology to improve for different government departments. Yes, type of technology to improve dash. Let's look at the location. Yes, here 1790 word is here. He wrote to Home Office suggesting that the Department of Government, yes, we got this clearly word, government or departments of government be linked together through a set of conversation tubes and to the Bank of England. Okay, here it is given to improve conversation tubes for different government departments, but we don't have to write the word which we found in the paragraph. We have to find the synonym for these words. Okay, measurement is not, yes, not profit preservation. Conversation, for conversation we can write communication. So in this way we have answer. We'll be writing F here, F in capital only because it is given in capital for different departments. Next one is he developed a new way of printing bank notes. Yes, bank is there to increase dash. Yes, bank notes is there with a design for a printing device that could produce, yes, that could produce unforgeable banknotes. Unforgeable banknotes. Unforgeable here means not to be fraudable, not to be forgeable. Forge here means fraudulent. Okay, many ways of printing banknotes to increase what? To increase measurement, no. Profits, preservation, security. Yes, forgeable is security. We can write this B. For this we can write B answer. To increase security, and also designed a method for the dash of food. Method for the dash of food. For dash of food, for food is measurement, profits. Let's take a guess from here also. Measurement, profits. Yes, food can be preserved. Yes, let's write it here G, but verify it with our answer. Okay, next, up to here we have already gone through. He drew up plans for Frigidium to keep the provisions such as meat, fresh fruit, vegetables fresh. Frigidium here means to preserve here in the fridge only. It means preservation is, we have done the right answer. We have selected the right answer, preservation. Method for the preservation of food. Yes, he also drew up plans for a prison which allowed the dash of prisoners at all times. Okay, now we have done with 3 options. Let's find it by, let's guess it first. Measurement, profits, observation, implementation. Plans for a prisoners which allowed the dash of prisoners at all times. Okay, I think observation must be there. Let's verify it before writing the what they have written about prison. Yes, for a prison known to be panopticon, in which prisoners would be kept in a solitary confinement while being visible at all times to the guards. Visible at all times here means visible, they can be absorbed. They can be absorbed here means yes, our guess was right. E, of prisoners at all times, and believed the same design could be used for other institutions as well. And researching happiness, he investigated possibilities for its, and some suggested some. Okay, what we will be now we have left with how many options? Measurement, profits, and implementation. Now researching happiness. Okay, till here we are done. Okay, was very adopted. Now it is in commas, it is in brackets. Davis does not discuss Bentham. Okay, model prison. Okay, Bentham, science of happiness. Yes, research of happiness. Yes, let's read it from here. Bentham was also a pioneer of science of happiness. If happiness is to be regarded as a science, it has to be measured. Yes, measurement word is here. Yes, it means measurement will come definitely. A. He investigated, for researching happiness, he investigated possibility for its measurement and suggested some method of doing this. Yes, it is clearly Bentham. They are talking about Bentham was also a pioneer of science of happiness, research of happiness. If happiness is to be regarded as a science, it has to be measured, and suggested two ways. Here it is given, and suggested some methods. Methods is ways. Okay. Okay, yes, in this way we have done all the, now if here we have left D and C, it means they were trapped. Okay, let's do yes and no. We have left with yes and no question, 5 questions more. Okay, these are the instructions. Do the following statement. Yes, we know about the instructions of regarding yes and no. Let's read it fast. 35th, one strength of the happiness industry is discussion of the relationship between psychology and economics. Okay, let's read it fast. First, happiness industry and relationship. They are talking about happiness industries, relationship between psychology and economics. Okay, we will find the answers. Till here we are done with fill in the blanks. Now we will find the answer in this paragraph only. Okay, okay, what we were looking for, my god, I have forgot. Happiness industry. Okay, yes, happiness industry describes how the project of science and happiness has become integral to capitalism. We learned that this is interesting about economic problems are being refined and treated as, yes, I think yes, it is given over here also, research and capitalism. And yes, we know that interesting about economic problems are being redefined and treated as psychological maladies. Yes, yes, it is given. Yes, it is. One strength of the happiness industry is its discussion of the relationship between psychology and economics. Psychology and economics. Yes, economic problems. Yes, and treated as psychological maladies. It means this is perfectly matching. Yes, this is yes. Answer is yes. 36, it is more difficult to measure some emotions than other. It is more difficult. It is a comparative statement to measure some emotions than others. Okay, let's read it. Till here we have done with 35th question. In addition, Davis shows how the belief that inner states of pleasure and displeasure can be objectively measured has informed management studies and advertising. The tendency of thinkers, okay, founder of was human beings could be shaped, manipulated, nothing is given about it, nothing is given about. It is more difficult to measure some emotions than other. This is of course not given. Not given. Okay, 37th. Watson's ideas on behaviorism were supported by research on humans he carried out before 1915. Okay, let's look at this figure. Now he is talking Watson ideas on behaviorism were supported by research on humans he carried out. Now he is saying he had done research on humans. Okay, let's read. Yes, 1915 is already there. What they are saying, let's read it. Watson, yes, Watson had no factual basis for his view of human action. When he became president of American Psychological Association in 1915, he had never studied a single human being. But here it is given, were supported by research on humans he carried out before. It means this is contradicting. This is absolutely no. Here they have, here in this question it is given that he had done so many research on humans before 1915, but in the question, in the statement, in the passage it is given he had not done research on single human being. Okay, 38. Watson's ideas have been most influential on governments outside America. Okay, let's read it. Watson's ideas, okay, outside America. Yes, Britain word is there. It means outside America. They are talking about. Yet till here we have done. Next is, yet Watson's reductive model is now widely applied with behavior change becoming the goal of governments in Britain. Behavior insight team has been established by the government to study how people can be encouraged at minimum cost to public to live in what they are considered socially desirable. Okay, Watson's idea has been most influential. Yes, we have got outside America word, like they are talking about Britain. Watson idea has been most influential on governments. Nothing is given. We have not found anything about most influential. It means, what is that? It means nothing, not given. It is not given. They have not explained anything about outside America, and moreover they have most influential on governments outside America. They have, though they have written about Britain, but model is now widely applied with behavior change becoming the goal of governments in Britain. But they are not doing after the influence of the American government. Watson ideas have been most influential on governments outside America. It is not given most influential. The need for happiness is linked to industrialization and linked need for happiness. Okay, till here we are done. Okay, most industrial societies appear to need the possibility of increasing happiness to motivate them in their labors. Yes, it is perfectly yes. It is perfectly yes. The need for happiness is linked to industrialization. Okay. 40th is, last one is, a main aim of government should be to increase the happiness of population. The main, here they are saying the main aim of government. Okay, let's look at this last line. But whatever its intellectual pedigree, the idea that government should be responsible for promoting happiness is always a threat to human freedom. Okay, here it is given the idea the government should be responsible. Here the government is not saying that its main aim is to increase the happiness of the population. It means this is contradicting. This is absolutely no. The main aim of government should be to increase the happiness of population. The government is not saying this. It is only the idea. It is given over here. The idea that the government should be responsible for promoting happiness is always a threat to human freedom. It means this is no. Okay, in this way we have completed this reading. This is book review. Thank you so much.